Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need clear prerequisites before you monetize: a validated problem, a minimum viable product, and basic analytics. Start by interviewing 3 real users and launch a one-feature MVP to capture behavior. Once done, deploy on a low-cost host and integrate event tracking so you can measure funnels. Make sure to set simple goals: signups, activation, and retention. This gets you actionable data fast and avoids wasted work on features users won't pay for. You now build the core monetization flow: pricing, checkout, and retention. Implement 3 testable price tiers with a free or trial tier that nudges upgrades through value gaps. Integrate a reliable payment gateway and automate receipts and tax handling. This reduces friction and disputes. Once payments work, wire in growth loops like referrals and onboarding emails that convert trial users. Make sure to instrument each step so you can optimize conversion rates and lifetime value. Finish by scaling infrastructure and refining monetization to increase lifetime value. Deploy caching, CDN, and auto-scaling, then run targeted upsell campaigns based on usage signals. Once done, analyze churn with surveys and build retention experiments. If something breaks, follow a clear troubleshooting path. Check logs, reproduce the error, and use a rollback plan to restore service. Make sure your support SLA and communication keep users informed while you fix root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.